Hey, this is GUI Game Dev. In this short tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to get variables from another script. First, you want to create two scripts. I'll be naming these scripts A and script B. Go into the script you want to take the variable from. I'll be making a float variable for this example. Make sure that the variable is public and remember the name you gave to your variable. Mine is num. Go into the second script that you created to get the variable from the other script. Type public and type exactly your other script name and name your variable. I'll be naming it script. Now I'll be creating another variable so I can print out the num variable from script A to show that it's working. But you do not have to do this. Go into start, type script.num, and to show this is working, I used a variable I created in the script and said it's equal to the other variable from the other script. So if I put debug.log nums, it should output the script A number. Drag both the scripts into a game object and drag the script you want to get the variable from inside the other. Now if I click run, as you can see, it worked. If you want to see some more semi-weekly short tutorials, make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.